The equation of a straight line y equal to mx plus c can be determined by the following steps. First, determine the value of gradient m. Then, determine a point which the straight line passes through or a point which lies on the straight line. After that, substitute the gradient m, the x-coordinate and y-coordinate from the point into the equation y equal to mx plus c to determine the value of c, that is the y-intercept. Lastly, substitute the gradient value and y-intercept value specified in the equation of the straight line y equal to mx plus c. Determine the equation of a straight line when the gradient and a point on the straight line are given. Let's look at example 11. Determine the equation of a straight line with a gradient of 1 over 2 and passes through point P, 6, 8. Let's look at the solution. M equal to 1 over 2. 1 over 2 is gradient and given P, 6, 8. Thus, x is 6 and y equal to 8. That the given. Then we have to substitute the values of m, x and y into y equal to mx plus c to determine the value of c. 8 equal to 1 over 2 times 6 plus c. So 8 equal to 3 plus c. Then we take the c into this. C equal to 8 minus 3 and c equal to 5. Therefore, the equation of the straight line is y equal to 1 over 2x plus 5.
Mind test 9.1e. Determine the equation of a straight line with the given gradient and passes through point P given. A. Gradient 2. Point P is 3, 7. Now let's answer the question. So write the formula y equal to mx plus c. Then substitute the gradient and the points given. So y is 7 equal to m is 2, x is 3. Then plus c. 7 is equal to 2 times 3 is 6 plus c. Then c is equal to 7 minus 6. So c is equal to 1. When we got this c, so we can write the answer lah in equation form. So y is equal to mx plus c. Then substitute lah. Y equal to 2x plus 1. So that is the answer. Y equal to 2x plus 1. Now let's move on to the purple colored sentence. Determine the equation of a straight line that passes through 2 points. Okay, when 2 points on a straight line are given, the gradient of the straight line can be calculated. Hence, the equation of the straight line can be determined. Okay, now look at example 12. Determine the equation of a straight line that passes through point P, negative 1, 5, and point Q, 2, negative 7. Okay, solution. Find the gradient first. So, negative 7 minus 5 over 2 minus negative 1. So, gradient is negative 4. Then, for point P, negative 1, 5, x is negative 1 and y is equal to 5. So, substitute the value of m, x and y into y equal to mx plus c to determine the value of c. So, y is equal to 5 and then gradient is negative 4, x is negative 1, then plus c. So 5 is equal to 4 plus c. C is equal to 5 minus 4, then c is equal to 1. Therefore, the equation of the straight line is y equal to negative 4x plus 1.
Example 13. The diagram on the right shows straight line PQ and RS. Given that the straight line PQ is parallel to the x-axis and straight line RS is parallel to the y-axis. Determine A. The equation of the straight line PQ. B. The equation of the straight line RS. So for the solution A, gradient of straight line PQ with A 2, 4 and M 0, 4. M equal to 4 minus 4, 2 minus 0 equal to 0 over 2 equal to 0. Y-intercept equal to 4. Thus, the equation of the straight line PQ is y equal to 0 and x in bracket plus 4, y equal to 4. So, for B, gradient of straight line RS with A 2, 4 and N 2, 0. M equal to 4 minus 0, 2 minus 2 equal to 4 over 0, undefined. The gradient of the straight line RS is undefined and is always 2 units from the y-axis. Hence, the equation of the straight line RS is x equal to 2. Line test 9.1e. Determine the equation of the straight line that pass through the given pair of points. So for question A, K0 to L60. So the solution is M equal to 0 minus 2, 6 minus 0, M equal to negative 2 over 6, M equal to negative 1 over 3. K0 to X equal to 0, Y equal to 2. So we use this formula, Y equal to MX plus C. 2 equal to negative 1 over 3, 0 plus C. 2 equal to 0 plus C. C equal to 2 minus 0. C equal to 2. So, the answer is Y equal to negative 1 over 3 plus 2. The question asks, determine the equation of a straight line that passes through point R, which is x is equal to negative 2 and y equal to 0, and point S, which is x equal to 0 and y equal to 8. So the solution is, we must know the value of gradient. So x minus 0 over 0 minus negative 2. So M equal to 4. For point R, x equal to negative 2 and y equal to 0. Then, substitute the value of M, x and y into equation y equal to mx plus c to determine the value of c. The equation of y equal to mx plus c will become to 0 equal to 4 multiply negative 2 plus c. So, the value of c is equal to 8. Therefore, the equation of the straight line is y equal to 4x plus 8. Determine the equation of a straight line which passes through a point and is parallel to a given straight line. By now, you would know that if two straight lines are parallel, then the gradient of both lines are equal. For example 14, the diagram below shows the straight line AB with equation y equal to negative 2x plus c. Determine the equation of a straight line parallel to AB and passes through point P, which is x equal to 5 and y equal to 4. So, the solution is The equation of the straight line AB is y equal to negative 2x plus 6. Thus, the gradient of AB is negative 2. The straight line which passes through point P is parallel to AB. Thus, the gradient of that line is negative 2. So, we must substitute the values of m, x, and y into y equal to mx plus c to determine the value of c. So, we must replace y with 4, m with negative 2, and x with 5. So, the equation of y equal to mx plus c will become 4 equal to negative 10 plus c. So, c equal to 14. Thus, the equation of the straight line parallel to AB and passes through the point P is y equal to negative 2x plus 14.
Example 15. The question is, determine the equation of a straight line parallel to the straight line 2x plus 3y equal to 12 and passes through point G in bracket 6, 8. Okay, now the solution is, given the equation of straight line 2x plus 3y equal to 12. Thus, 3y equal to negative 2x plus 12. So, y equal to negative 2 per 3x plus 4. The gradient of the straight line equal to negative 2 per 3. The straight line which passes through point G is parallel to the straight line 2x plus 3y equal to 12. Hence, the gradient of the straight line is negative 2 per 3. Substitute the values of m, x, and y into y equal to mx plus c and determine the value of c. Thus, a equal to negative 2 per 3 times 6 plus c, because q in bracket 6, 4 is given. So, x equal to 6 and y equal to 8. So, 8 equal to negative 4 plus c. And then c equal to 8 plus 4, and the answer is c equal to 12. Hence, the equation of the straight line parallel to 2x plus 3y equal to 12 and passes through point G is y equal to negative 2 per 3x plus 12. The question given is, determine the equation of a straight line that is parallel to the given straight line and passes through point P. Given the equation of straight line is y equal to 3x plus 9. The gradient of the straight line equal to 3. The straight line which passes through point P is parallel to the straight line y equal to 3x plus 9. Hence, the gradient of the straight line is 3. Substitute the values of m, x, and y into y equal to mx plus c and determine the value of c. So, 7 equal to 3 times 2 plus c, because it is given point P to 7. Thus, x will be 2 and y will be 7. So, 7 equal to 6 plus c, and then c equal to 7 minus 6, and the answer is c equal to 1. Hence, the equation of the straight line parallel to y equal to 3x plus 9 and passes through point P is y equal to 3x plus 1.